Number 1. 1983 Ford F250, $3,950, Portland, Oregon. This 1983 Ford F250 is a remarkably well-preserved 3/4-ton pickup, showing just 52,713 original miles, verified through the vehicle identification number. Finished in brown with a straight, dent-free body, it represents the durability that made early 1980s Ford heavy-duty trucks so respected. Powered by the legendary 460 cubic inch V8 paired with a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, this truck delivers substantial torque and classic big block character. The interior is reported to be in terrific shape, with only minor dash cracking and a small seat tear, which is typical for the era. Recent maintenance includes a new muffler, new tires, and a new battery. It runs and drives great, although the brake booster leak will require attention. At $3,950 in Portland, Oregon, this is an honest, low-mileage workhorse with strong collector potential for fans of classic Ford heavy-duty pickups. Number 2. 1989 Mazda B2600i, 4-wheel drive, $2,250, Logan Square, Chicago, Illinois. The 1989 Mazda B2600i is a compact 4-wheel drive pickup known for reliability and practicality. This example, finished in black with 180,000 miles, is described as a solid work truck with surface rust, but a clean frame. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission, it reflects the simple, durable engineering of late 1980s Japanese trucks. At $2,250 in Chicago, Illinois, it presents an affordable entry into a classic compact 4-wheel drive platform. These trucks are increasingly appreciated for their mechanical simplicity and rugged drivetrain, ideal as a daily utility vehicle or light project. Number 3. 1963 Chevrolet C60 dump truck, $3,750, Kennewick, Washington. This 1963 Chevrolet C60 1.5-ton truck is a true medium-duty workhorse, rated at 19,500 pounds gross weight. It retains its original 292 cubic inch inline-6 engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and 2-speed rear differential, a classic heavy-duty configuration of the era. The hydraulic dump bed functions properly and has new welded posts with wood sides. While there is minor rust consistent with age and the speedometer is not operational, it reportedly runs well. Priced at $3,750 in Kennewick, Washington, this truck offers serious vintage utility value and is well suited for agricultural or restoration purposes. Number 4. 1987 Chevrolet S10 V8 swap, $4,800, Sequim, Washington. This modified 1987 Chevrolet S10 features a V8 engine swap, transforming the lightweight compact pickup into a serious performance and towing machine. Equipped with an automatic transmission, custom dual exhaust, upgraded suspension components, lowering kit, and airbag helper springs with onboard air, it blends street style with functionality. Interior upgrades include bucket seats, new carpet, headliner, and door seals. It runs and drives very well, though the fuel gauge and heater controls have issues. At $4,800 in Sequim, Washington, this truck appeals to enthusiasts who appreciate custom builds and classic compact hot rod pickups. Number 5. 1948 Ford F1 pickup, $4,995, Yucca Valley, California. The 1948 Ford F1 represents early post-war American truck design. This example has been stored in the desert since 1990 and retains a clean California title with original black and yellow plates. It was modified with an Oldsmobile 350 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, along with air conditioning and a custom dash insert. Although it has not run in approximately 20 years, it rolls and steers well. With its solid desert storage history and period modifications, it offers strong restoration or restomod potential at $4,995 in Yucca Valley, California. Number 6. 1946 Dodge Flatbed Truck, $2,250, Brighton, Colorado. This 1946 Dodge truck flatbed is an all-original post-war work truck powered by a flathead 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission. The odometer has rolled over, and the truck requires restoration, but it retains authenticity and character. The gas tank has been restored, and it carries a clean title. At $2,250 in Brighton, Colorado, it represents an affordable entry into pre-1950 American truck ownership, ideal for full restoration or vintage farm use. Number 7. 1964 Dodge D400 dump truck, $5,000, Reno, Nevada. This 1964 Dodge D400 heavy-duty dump truck has spent its life in Nevada, helping minimize rust concerns. It is powered by a 318 cubic inch poly V8 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and 2-speed axle. The power takeoff operated dump bed works properly, and the truck features good tires, working brakes, and 46,000 miles on the current motor. Priced at $5,000 in Reno, Nevada, it is a practical choice for ranch, construction, or collector use. Number 8. 1985 Ford Ranger Longbed 4-wheel drive, $1,850, Stevensville, Montana. The 1985 Ford Ranger Longbed 4-wheel drive is a classic compact pickup known for durability. This V6 powered example with a 5-speed manual transmission reportedly runs very well, with a strong clutch and properly functioning 4-wheel drive system. Although the odometer is not operational and the tires require immediate replacement, it includes a new 2026 battery, restored gauge cluster, and updated audio system. At $1,850 in Stevensville, Montana, it is a practical project or field truck with solid fundamentals. Number 9. 1998 Dodge Dakota, $650, Cheyenne Wells, Colorado. This 1998 Dodge Dakota is a rear-wheel drive pickup powered by the 3.9-liter V6 engine and automatic transmission. With 220,269 miles and no title, it is clearly positioned as a parts or farm truck. It has been involved in a deer collision and shows electrical issues and possible transmission concerns, along with power steering problems. At just $650 in Cheyenne Wells, Colorado, it offers value primarily for parts or off-road property use. Number 10. 1965 Ford F100 short bed, $15,000, Claremont, California. The 1965 Ford F100 short bed is one of the most desirable classic Ford pickups due to its clean mid-1960s styling. This example is powered by a 302 cubic inch V8 engine with automatic transmission and reportedly runs great mechanically. While the body has visible rust, the chassis is described as clean and solid. At $15,000 in Claremont, California, it reflects the strong market demand for short bed Ford trucks, especially as restoration candidates or future show quality builds. Number 11. 1985 GMC High Sierra 2500, $2,500, Missoula, Montana. This 1985 GMC High Sierra 2500 is a 3/4-ton, two-wheel drive pickup equipped with a 3-speed manual transmission and V8 engine. Showing 83,591 miles, it reportedly has good body sides with no visible rust. Square body. General Motors trucks from the 1980s have gained significant collector interest for their durability and timeless styling. At $2,500 in Missoula, Montana, this High Sierra represents a solid foundation for restoration, light work duty, or classic truck enjoyment.